Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of AI hallucination, a phenomenon that has both fascinated and perplexed tech enthusiasts. So, what exactly is AI hallucination and what causes it? More importantly, how can we fix it? Let's find out. First, let's define what AI hallucination is. Simply put, it's when an artificial intelligence system produces unexpected or incorrect results. This could be due to errors in the training data, biased algorithms, or even external factors such as changes in the environment. As AI continues to evolve and become more complex, the chances of experiencing AI hallucination also increase. So, what are the main causes of AI hallucination? One of the most common causes is biased data. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if that data is biased, the AI will also be biased. This can lead to incorrect or even harmful decisions being made by the AI. Another cause is a lack of diversity in the training data. If the data only represents a certain group or demographic, the AI may struggle to accurately understand and respond to other groups or demographics. Additionally, external factors such as changes in the environment or unexpected events can also cause AI hallucination. Now, let's talk about how we can fix AI hallucination. The first step is to ensure that the training data is diverse and unbiased. This means taking the time to thoroughly vet the data and make necessary adjustments to eliminate any biases. Another important step is to continuously monitor and test the AI system to identify and fix any errors or biases that may arise. This requires a dedicated team and constant vigilance, but it's crucial in ensuring the accuracy and fairness of the AI. In the long term, investing in responsible and ethical AI development practices is key to preventing AI hallucination. So why is it important to address AI hallucination? Well, besides the obvious fact that we want AI to make accurate and unbiased decisions, it also has real-world implications. From self-driving cars to healthcare diagnosis, AI is being integrated into our daily lives at a rapid pace. We must ensure that these systems are reliable and free from bias to avoid any potential harm or negative impact on society. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. If you're interested in learning more about AI and responsible AI development, be sure to check out our AI training courses. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and insights. Thank you for watching.